I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the hardware working. Charge the controller, plug a USB-C cable into your PC, or open Bluetooth and press the controller pairing button. Once connected, Windows should list the controller under Devices. Make sure the Xbox button is solid. Install the Xbox Accessories app immediately so you can update firmware and confirm the controller model. Doing this first prevents input quirks later. Once the device is recognized, move straight into driver and firmware checks before launching Forza Horizon 5. Once Forza is running, go to Settings, then Controls, and pick the Xbox controller preset as a baseline. This gives correct axis mapping and default assists. You tweak steering sensitivity and dead zones because these reduce twitchiness and prevent unwanted input. Set small increments and test in free roam. Use the Xbox Accessories app to remap buttons or swap triggers if you prefer different braking behavior. Make sure to save your custom profile in both the app and Forza so that your settings persist across sessions, and finish by saving your in-game control profile and exporting any Xbox Accessories presets you made. Then restart Forza to ensure the game loads those exact settings. If the controller isn't detected or shows input lag, first connect via USB to rule out Bluetooth interference, then repair or reinstall the Xbox controller driver in Device Manager. As a single key troubleshooting tip, update the controller firmware in Xbox Accessories and power cycle the controller and PC. This resolves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.